Hello everybody and welcome to STEAM Night. Tonight's activity that we're going to be getting into is our Code and Go mouse. So basically this is a fun way to have kids ages 5+ learn a little bit about coding and also play a game with a robot mouse and see where he can go. So basically this is our mouse and one comes in each little kit. On the bottom there's an off switch, a normal switch, and a hyper switch depending on how you want your mouse to be. So right now he's off, and when I turn him on he'll make a little noise. Let's listen to that. So next in our kit we have some different cards that show different ideas for making a track. Now this mouse has some instructions on the top of him, or some buttons about how he can go. So we have an up button, a turn button to the left, a turn button to the right, and then a back button. This is the clear button and this is the pause button. So depending on the directions that you put into the mouse, he can go on the track and try to get the cheese. I made my own little simplified track this morning, but you can go ahead and make more complicated ones like the ones on the cards if you'd like. And the idea of the game is for him to get this block of plastic cheese that we have. We also have some different arches he can go under, and we also have a little pathway with these purple things that you can make him decide where to go. So I made a track that has one arch and some purple little pieces to kind of guide him, and I put the cheese at the bottom. So if I want him to get the cheese and he's on this first block right here, he will have to go up 1, 2, turn to the left, and then go up one more. So let's see here. If he's on this box right here, he'll have to go 1, 2, turn and pivot to the left, and then go up one more to get that cheese. So let's see here if we can make him do that. So I'm going to have him go, click it once. Oh, he's off. That might help if I turn him on. All right, here we go. Once, twice, turn to the left, and then once more. Let's see if he'll do it. Let's see if we can get this mouse to go. When you want him to go, you'll pick the green button in the middle. He got a little stuck. Well, that one, he almost made it to the cheese. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to clear him out. He got a little stuck. He wheeled off a little bit. So let's try it one more time. Up, up, over, green. There you go. Almost made it. If he made one more time. He's going the other way, isn't he? He is a silly mouse. So again, you can make your own tracks and see if you can figure out the best way to get him to that cheese. And this has to deal with coding, because coding is step-by-step instructions, and this is how you get the mouse to move, is by doing step-by-step instructions. So in this kit, you'll have 2 arches, some more dividers of the purple dividers. You also have some cards that you can kind of make him go which way if you like. If you want some extra help, you can go this way. Lightning bolt, ooh, that would be a hyper one. So you can really figure out what to do. And also a way to play with these cards would be if you had a friend over and you wanted him or her to go ahead and tell you how to move the mouse. He or she could pull out some cards and tell you which way to go, and the mouse is still a-moving. So he sometimes moves when he's on and he's idle for a little bit. So this is a really fun activity, and you can check it out from the library upstairs in youth services for at least 2 weeks and turn it back in. But if you need a little bit more time, you can check it back out again as long as nobody's waiting for it. So I hope you've enjoyed this STEAM night, and come on down to the library and see what we have to offer. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.